Good morning, guys. My name is Ms. Dupree. I am here with your Unit 4 Week 2 Readers and Writers Workshop. I'm going to be your reading teacher for this week. We are working on our new unit, which is Jobs in My Community. This week, we will start on our first research question, which is to define and describe our job. So today, during your read to self time, you need to be reading about a community helper, about your particular community helper. You can read a book you might already have at home. You can read something off the ARC bookshelf, or you can go to Epic. And on Epic, you can read or listen to the books about community helpers. Our goal is to be able to do this for at least 20 minutes to get some sustained reading time. When you're focusing on your reading, these are the things that you need to be thinking about so that you can add information to your FPO. Read to learn more about your topic in this week's research question. I want you to find out what the community trusts your job with, their mission, and what your job actually does. So that's going to be your reading focus. We're going to be reading to be able to answer that first research question. So whatever we're reading during our reading time for those 20 minutes needs to be based on what our job is. So if we are learning about a teacher, then you're going to want to read books about teachers. If you're learning about the firemen, then you need to read books about the firemen. I put some examples up here of how I would be able to answer these questions. So the first part of the question is, what is the mission of people in this job? What do communities trust them to take care of for everyone? So an example would be if I was studying a librarian, I could say the mission of a librarian is to provide people with books to read. Communities trust librarians to take care of the library and help them find books or information they need. Second part of the question, what do people in this job actually do while they are working? Librarians put books in order for people to find them easily. They help find books, read to children, and check books out to people. So now I've kind of defined what their job is, what their mission is, and what the community trusts them with, and how that they help our community. For today's writing, I want you to work on adding as much information as you can to your FPO for this week's research question. So we started talking about that FPO in our read aloud today. So you need to have your own FPO and you need to be filling it out based on what you learn about your particular community helper. So that is your goal for your reading in your writing workshop today. All right, guys, I will talk to you later.